Hey everyone, Sarah Hanlon here with AndroidAppsReview.com, and today we're taking a look at FiredUp, which is a fun puzzle game for Android. It can be downloaded from Google Play for free, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it works. FiredUp is a turn-based puzzle game where you have to ignite matches and try to outsmart your opponent, which happens to be an AI, by matching them turn for turn. And if you are the last one to strike a match or ignite it, then you lose the game. So you see here, there's a useful rules section. Kind of goes over the basics of FiredUp. Tells you exactly what you have to do. One thing I do want to mention is there isn't a tutorial, so unfortunately you kind of have to do trial by fire and kind of figure out your way around the game yourself. So we'll go ahead, tap play. And one thing I want to mention is every time you start a game from the main menu, you will have to deal with an ad, unfortunately. So you see here, nice little warning, playing with fire. In reality, it causes danger for life and property. Of course, we know that. So we'll go ahead and tap the screen to play. So this is the layout of FiredUp, and I've played 10 matches, lost every single one. So unfortunately, I'm not terribly sure if this layout changes if you win, but in 10 games it's been the same, which means it kind of gets a little redundant after a while. But just to show you how it works, you can strike one match, you can strike out a whole row if you want. The only requirement is that you must strike your matches in the same row. So for example, I'll go ahead, drag my finger across 3. And you see there the AI wiped out the entire row. So from here, it's, I can strike 1, the AI will strike 2 or 1. And this is the bad part, unfortunately. No matter what you do, you're probably going to lose. So I'll go ahead, strike 2 matches. The AI will strike 2 matches, or strike 1 match. And unfortunately, I have no choice but to strike the last match. So I've lost. And I'm sure there's a way to kind of crack the code on here, but I haven't found it out, unfortunately. And even if you do something like my AI opponent did, where you eliminate a match, you can still strike the whole row. So even, process of elimination type of stuff, unfortunately, does not work in this case. So I'll go ahead, finish this out here. And once again, I'm stuck with the last match, so I've lost. Another feature of FiredUp is the score tracker, which ever so graciously displays the fact that I have not won a single game while playing it. You can see number of games played, number of games won, in my case, a wonderful 0. As far as overall thoughts on FiredUp, needless to say, it is ridiculously difficult, frustratingly so. Usually games will kind of throw you a bone every now and then, at least make you feel somewhat good that you've won. Unfortunately, FiredUp is relentless, and I have not figured out a way to beat it. So if you get frustrated by puzzle games easily, this one might test your patience, unfortunately. I do wish there was a way to kind of set a difficulty level, maybe have like a beginner tutorial mode type of thing. I definitely see this as a potential for online gameplay. That way you've kind of got a chance against a real person instead of the computer. But overall, it's a good game to play. I really like the concept. I think it's, on the path to go somewhere, but definitely have to adjust the difficulty settings there. Again, FiredUp is available to download from Google Play for free and is designed for Android. This has been Sarah Hanlon with AndroidAppsReview.com taking a look at FiredUp. Till next time.